Hi, my name is Pana Pesha. I'm grade 4 in Clever Private School.
Hi, my name is Razniat. Today we're going to talk about cell.
So cell is a part of our body. We cannot see it by our two eyes. We can only see it by a microscope. So we're going to take half of our skin and put it on the microscope, and then we can see the surrounding things. So this is the animal cell. An animal cell has a cell membrane and vacuole, nucleus, and mitochondria and cytoplasm.
For example, I see my friend, let's go play, but I don't have energy to play with her, so I'll go buy a biscuit and I'm going to eat it, and my tummy will be material. So this is the cell. The cell membrane will open for the material, and the material will go to vacuole. Vacuole will send it to mitochondria. Mitochondria will break down the material, and that's how I have energy.
So this is the plant cell, and plant cell has two things that animal cell doesn't have. It has cell wall and chloroplast. So maybe, for example, we hit a tree, our hand is going to get hurt, but the tree will not get hurt because the cell wall is making a rigid for the tree. And so this is the chloroplast, and chloroplast, as you can see, the color of it is green, and it makes the tree green too, and it makes food for the tree.